Okay, right now it feels like December out there. It's windy and it's cold. Temperatures in many parts of the state are in the 30s.
There is some rain in the forecast, Lincoln. It's not going to get any better today.
No, it's not going to get any better, and because of the temperatures are going to chill down, that rain is going to turn into sleet later in the afternoon.
As that wind, right now, they say that it feels like about 35 degrees down there, Lincoln. So this is a cold, cold day in Cleveland.
Yes, it is.
We're going to get active. We're about to get active, baby. Abram, let's go. Let's go. Hey, it's our day. Let's go. Fly around. Hey, me and you. Told the rock, I'm going to take the rock.
As the Browns will kick off. Look at that ball. Hand up, then running the football will be a big emphasis for both of these teams. There's Jacobs on first down, and Jacobs a little stiff arm.
Handed back Jacobs. Jacobs slashes through for a first down. First down for the Raiders. Raiders looking sharp here in their opening series of this game.
The wind is blowing and creating issues going this way for the Raiders in this first quarter. So play action, Carl toss it short. It's dropped by Darren Waller. That's a rarity. Watched it all through warmups. Every kick is going to be an adventure. Now the adventure begins. 41-yard field goal try. He's going to aim towards the right upright, the far right upright. High snap too. Look at that thing bend, and it clanks off the upright. No good.
The wind blew it, no good. Oh, mercy. The wind just caused that to be a hook kick. It looked like it was dead on, and then it just spun off to the left, and no score, just like that. First down and 10, Baker Mayfield.
Mayfield stumbling off play action to Bryant. And Bryant fumbles the football. Still loose on the field and covered up by Nicholas Morrow. And the Las Vegas Raiders get a big break.
The Browns working into that wind, and with it at his back, Carr had one sail. So either way you go, when the wind's around 35 miles an hour, you got a problem today. And here is Baker.
On first and 5. Punt bouncing to the outside. Upended. And we have called Jonathan Abrams' name a lot in this quarter. He's flying all over the field for Las Vegas.
They were excited about having him back. But Abrams is a guy that brings a physical presence to this defense. One that is needed.
Howling.
Yes, it is.
Cody parking. Kirby left. Got it. Browns strike first. They make their field goal. Raiders missed theirs. 3-zip.
Back to work, Devontae Booker behind him. And it's Booker with the carry. Booker plowing forward. Third down and 18. Carr short to Booker. With blockers in front. Booker breaking tackles, and Booker close to the first down.
Here it is, 4th down and 1. Give it to Ingold. Ingold's got the first down. The Raiders keep this drive going. Here's Jacobs straight ahead, and he blasts his way to the 21-yard line. Parker holds up, does a good job. Carr fires in zone. Brooks catches it, and it's a touchdown. Incomplete. He stepped out of the end zone. The field judge says he did not get both feet down. This is close. This is going to be close. They're going to take a look at this one.
From our studios in Los Angeles.
Stands. Las Vegas is charged with third and final timeout. And they lose their first challenge.
All right, so here comes Daniel Carlson attempting a field goal here that would tie the game. Field goal attempt. We are now tied. It's 3-3. Should have been 7-3. Nevertheless, we go on. Oh my, sleet, snow.
And it's nasty.
It is brutal. Wind howling up in the 30s right now. We've got the final minute now in a snowstorm with the wind swirling here in Cleveland. And here comes Carlson, an effort to put the Raiders ahead here in the closing seconds of the first half. Carlson. Good hold. The snap was a little high. Kick is good. As we come to the end of the first half, miserable weather conditions. Raiders were robbed of a touchdown, but they still lead it 6-3. Hands it to Jacobs. Ingold throws the block, and Jacobs running well.
Carr, a dart to Renfro. And Renfro picks up 9. Carr floats it. Nice catch by his tight end, Darren Waller. Renfro in motion. Third down. Carr to Renfro, sliding across the goal line with a Raider touchdown.
Renfro touchdown that puts the Raiders ahead here in the fourth quarter. Mr. Consistency does it again. The crowd a little unhappy back there in the dog pound, but the Raiders pounce ahead.
Time of possession starting to favor the Raiders. They've had 2 8-plus-minute drives in this game, including that last touchdown drive. A big part of that has been the running game. Carry number 20 on the day for Josh Jacobs. And Jacobs, look at him lowering the shoulders. Jacobs again picking his way forward, fighting off contact.
Daniel Carlson will attempt a field goal on 4th down and 1, and it is going to be good, and that puts the Raiders up by 2 scores.
Now it's a classic time for the defense to tape back their ears and just go.
Now for Baker Mayfield, trying to mount a comeback going into this win. Mayfield looking for the end zone, deflected away. Nice hands by LaMarcus Joyner to get up and bat that one to the turf. 3rd and 10 coming up.
Mayfield takes the snap into gun. Fires toward the end zone, caught, dropped. A jarring hit. Was that Joyner who came in there again?
Yes, it was.
2 fabulous plays in the end zone, and the ball came loose. Here's Jacobs. Got a hole, in goal. 1st down, 40, 45-yard line. Adding yardage to his 100-yard day here. Josh Jacobs putting this one away. Game over, baby.
Yes.
16-6.
Got another good win. It was an ugly one, but we still won. We gotta build on top of this. We're gonna be all right. That's how you go on the road. They say we can't win in the cold. It's mighty damn cold. We leave it to go.